how you can stop email notifications from Indeed job search account. If you are tired of getting email notification from Indeed job search account, this video is for you. To do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And after you do that, go to indeed.com. Now after you go there, make sure that you're logged into it. If you are not, just log into it, and after you log in, this is the page you will be on. Now on the top right, you will see the three lines right there. Tap on it, and right there you will see different options. Now go to settings. Now after you're on settings, just scroll down till you see the communications setting. Tap on communication settings, and right there you will see the email option. Tap on email. Now after you are on the subscriptions section, scroll down till you see additional emails. Now right there you will be able to just select all the options that you don't want an email for. So let's just do that. I'm just gonna toggle all of this off, and you can turn some of these on if you want to according to your needs. But after doing all that, if you still don't want any emails from Indeed, you can just unsubscribe from all commercial emails from right here, and you won't get any emails at all. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you stop email notification from Indeed job search. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.